Greetings. Welcome to our channel, where we explore different options for cleaning your home without the use of dangerous products. Seek inspiration in the videos we share in order to make your cleaning routine greener. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave your comments. Deodorize your home the eco-friendly way. Now I turn your attention to eliminating unpleasant odors. You know just how bothersome it can be when you smell something nasty in the kitchen or some other room. It is not like you can always avoid it. For example, when you cook, some odors are bound to linger in the room. That dish you just cooked sure smells nice, but the odor is going to get absorbed into your clothes. That is not very nice, nor is it ideal if you actually forget about the food and it turns bad inside the fridge or a food storage container. Needless to say, there are plenty of scenarios that will leave a bad smell which you will sense immediately upon entering the front door in your home. You will want to remedy the situation and eliminate the odor and hopefully replace it with a better one. Think for a second before you grab the deodorizer spray. It contains dangerous chemicals and ingredients that are bad for human health. You don't want to fill the very air you breathe in your home with that. There are much better alternatives for deodorizing your home and we will show you some of them. Deodorize the fridge. When you defrost the fridge, wipe the interior with 1 part water and 1 part vinegar. You can also leave a bowl of baking soda inside to absorb any unpleasant smells that are around. Deodorize food storage containers. If the smell of yesterday's lunch lingers in your food containers, you should soak them in a warm water and baking soda solution overnight. Wipe them clean as usual afterwards. Deodorize your clothes. Do your woolen clothes smell musty from the time they were in storage? If so, you can try out a curious trick. Spritz your garments with a tiny amount of vodka. It will leave no scent, but will surely kill off the musty smell from your clothes. Hit the subscribe button and drop a comment on what you would like to see next on our channel and we will gladly listen to your feedback. Don't forget to click on the notification button to ensure you don't miss a single video from us.